Now let us discuss the 86th question. In which case a change in entropy is negative? They ask that change in entropy, that means delta S is equal to negative among the four options. We know that entropy means the randomness or disorder present in the system. We know that gases have high entropy than liquids. Liquids have high entropy than solids. Solids having the low entropy value. Why? Because they are arranged in an close packed structure. Gases is highest entropy value. Why? Because there is an increase in randomness or a disorder in the system. Now let us verify the given statements. The first one is evaporation of water. That means liquid when heated, evaporation takes place. Evaporation means gas. Here liquid to gas conversion. That means gases have the high randomness. So its value is delta S equal to positive. Why? Because the randomness is increased, liquid converted to gases. Okay. Now let us verify the second statement. Expansion of a gas at constant temperature. Gas is expansion takes place. That's why its change in entropy. That means the randomness increases. Delta S value becomes positive. Now let us verify the third one. Here sublimation of solid to gas. Here solid is converted to gas. That's why here change in entropy will also be increases. Its value becomes delta S equal to positive. Now let us verify the option 4. Here two hydrogens, individual hydrogen gas molecules combines to form the H2 molecule. Here in individual, its randomness is very high. Its randomness or disorder is high. It combines with another mole of hydrogen gas to form hydrogen molecule. In molecule, the randomness is decreased by two hydrogen gas to form the hydrogen gas molecule. Its randomness is decreased. That's why delta S value becomes negative. So according to the question, option 4 satisfies the given question. So our answer is 4 is our correct answer.